Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Nissan Maxima 40th Anniversary Edition. This is based on the Platinum trim level. Features a exclusive exterior color, ruby slate gray. It's like a purple gray with red tint. It's really cool. It also features a two-tone black roof. All your outside trim is going to be blacked out. You're going to have a Maxima 40th Anniversary Edition badge. And you're also going to get exclusive red leather interior. Powertrain is the same. It's going to be that 3.5 made it to a front-wheel drive CVT. Heated, cooled seats. Your dual sunroof, 40th anniversary embossed, I think, in the seats. Whew. White face gauges exclusive to the 40th anniversary edition. So it's a Maxima with very special touches. You also have red stitching everywhere. It's definitely the nicest Maxima I've been in. We're in sport mode. In terms of drivetrain, no changes for 40th anniversary. It's a commemorative edition, mainly cosmetics. Matter of fact, exclusively cosmetics. But the white face gauges, man, that just sets it apart. At night with the glow, the ambient lighting that's in here. Oh, it's a sick car. Obviously, 1981, first year of the Maxima. So for 2021, they said, you know what? Let's make a 40th anniversary edition. And yeah, it's nice. That's for sure. These things just haul. I've always said if I were to buy a Maxima, it would have to be the SR. Paddle shifters, the suede trim, it's just money. This car convinces me otherwise. I think if I were to buy a Maxima, it'd have to be a 40th anniversary. It's just the touches that it has, red leather interior. It's not like an in-your-face red either. It's like a burgundy. It is really something unique. Actually, it literally is unique. You know, I've had this car for the weekend now, and every time I've driven it, I'm like, I feel like I'm getting into something special. And I don't know if that's just me. I felt that way with the QX60 Limited, the Autograph. I'm like, ooh, you feel special driving it. Like, ooh, this is a unique opportunity. But it's just, there's no mechanical changes, but all those little touches, the exclusive color, the red leather, the white gauges, it's just like, okay, this isn't an ordinary Maxima. Whew, that sounds bright. Yeah, I gotta say, this is probably my favorite Maxima I've driven. That 19 black on black SR that I had, that was nice. I had that for I think a day or two. That was a fun car. I loved that. But this is just something unique. You know, these are so rare. So rare. And yeah, the price tag is a little steep for what they are. I think we're asking, as of right now, $45. But obviously we're going to adjust that as we see fit. But I would pay it. I would pay it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.